Hello world, Adele here and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, we are back in my bedroom and I'm continuing our bedroom makeover. We actually were able to get our Ikea closets up this weekend. I'm really obsessed with them. Wait, hold on. I can't start the video like this. I need to show you guys how we built this closet. Cue the intro. A super essential part of a clean and organized bedroom is storage. And see, that's the one thing about New York City. There's never enough closet space for you to store all of your crap. So our solution was, of course, Ikea. We went with the Ikea PAX system, which is a really popular closet system that can be arranged in so many different ways. And we decided to go with two separate closets, his and hers. And this one is about 40 inches wide, 93 inches high, all white with double doors. Now, we were lucky enough to receive this delivery early in the day, and we had basically the whole day to work on this project. So the first closet took us about 3 hours to put together. I know that's a long time, but you know, first time at the rodeo. And then the second closet took us about an hour and a half. So that was a success. Now, I mainly assisted my husband during this process, but here he let me take my frustrations out and hammering some nails. I obviously don't know what I'm doing. So as I said, this PAX system can be arranged in so many ways, and I decided to go with one wire drawer and then two shelves. So we arranged it this way with the wire drawer at the bottom, the shelf right on top, and then a shelf higher up so that I can store some bigger items up there. I also went with a clothing rod or hanging rod right under the highest shelf to hang some of my longer items that I have in my other closet right outside my room. I just wanted to get rid of some of the stuff that was in there. I felt like the closet was a little bit too cramped, so I moved that stuff over here. And here I'm clearly amazed by these door hinges. That's what they are. Yeah. wanted to really get into organizing and cleaning. Now, this area looks okay right now, but this area, it needs a lot of work. As you can see, the top of my dresser is a hot mess. This is my husband's side. This is my side. I just want to go through everything and get rid of a whole bunch of stuff. I don't use a lot of it. A lot of it, as you can see, is like makeup and little samples and things like that. So, I mean, I don't want to waste anything, but I know I'm not going to use it. So, it's time to get rid of that. And I can't even open my drawers. So, I want to go through everything. Get rid of some stuff, get rid of clothing that, one, I don't wear and doesn't fit me anymore, and just get all the drawers organized so that I can open stuff up and also be able to store some things within this guy. It's completely empty right now. My wedding dress, and then I just put my suitcase up there to get it out of the way. But once I get myself organized, get rid of everything that I don't wear, don't use, and no longer serves a purpose for me, then we can really continue with this makeover. So recently I actually bought these drawer organizers from Amazon, and I wanted to use that for my top drawer with all my underwear and bras. So let's see if this really helps. I've never used anything like this, but that top drawer is a mess. I'm not even going to show you guys because it's a bit embarrassing. But let's see if I can get that organized using this bad boy. My first step when I organize my drawers is I like to empty everything out. I want to make sure that everything is completely empty, and that way I can see what I have, start organizing, and start getting rid of things that I no longer need. So I bought this drawer organizer from Amazon. I will link it below if you're interested. But it comes with 4 pieces, 2 smaller ones, 2 larger ones to organize your drawers. I'm using this for my top drawer, my underwear, my bras, my socks. Okay, done with bras and underwears. Now on to t-shirts. So I have my dresser organized basically the way that I get dressed. Underwear first, shirts and tops second, and then the bottom 2 drawers are mostly jeans, skirts, and then some loungewear. Alright, we got some paint on the walls. We have additional storage to keep ourselves nice, organized, and clutter-free. Look how clean everything looks. Look at that dresser top. Wow. I am just amazed at how nice everything can look when you have less junk lying around. Well, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or suggestions, please let me know below. And I will see you in part 3, where I will get all the final details for this bedroom makeover. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.